If you are looking for a simple way to add something supportive to your daily wellness routine, this is an easy one to work with. So I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out. This is a wild yam cream for women's midlife wellness. And I like that it's easy for me to use consistently because it's designed to be used twice a day. So for me, that fits easily into like a morning routine and an evening routine. It is made primarily for body use. So I want you to keep that in mind. This is not meant for facial application. So you are applying it to areas like the inner arms, your chest, your thighs, and you're supposed to rotate application sites. So it makes it an intentional part of your routine each day. So the formula includes ingredients like black cohosh, Vitex, red clover, different vitamins and minerals. And another nice detail is that it has a natural scent rather than added fragrances. So it is specially formulated to be free of synthetic fragrances, which I know a lot of people will appreciate, like myself. It is also USDA organic certified, which I think is also important. So I want you to keep in mind, this is not a huge jar, okay? This is not like the size of a big candle. This is a 2-ounce jar. It's easy to keep on your counter. You can easily travel and take it with you. It is simple to stay consistent with, no matter where you're at. So if you're looking for a body cream that's easy to use morning and night and fits into a thoughtful midlife wellness routine, I think this is a good one to check out. So I want to show you a little bit about what the consistency looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It's a beautiful color inside. And to me, it looks really rich, but you're just going to take a little bit. And one of the areas that you can apply, like I said, too, is on the inside of your arm. Oh my goodness, it goes on so smoothly. And again, that's what it looks like. Definitely, if you're looking for something like this is a good option to check out.